Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So in this lecture, we are going to discussing one of the important topic. The next topic from first unit is equation of a tangent plane. So for long answer question, this topic is very important. Equation of a tangent plane. So whenever you take a sphere like this, for every sphere, so if you draw a line, okay, if that line touches that sphere at one point, that line is called a tangent line or a tangent plane. Okay, so now in this problem we are going to discuss the tangent plane of a sphere. So then what is the question and what is the solution for that problem? Find the equation of the sphere through the circle x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 and 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 6. This is the sphere, you know very well, and that required sphere touching the plane z is equal to 0. Okay, so here we have to find the tangent plane equation, and here we have to find the sphere equation. And what we have here? Here we have circle equation and we have one plane, that is z is equal to 0. Requires a sphere touching the plane z is equal to 0. So first of all, observe step by step, very important problem. The given equations of the sphere and a circle is, so you know very well, circle we always indicate with capital S. Congruence x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 is equal to 0. Take that one as equation number 1. And the plane, given plane, we can indicate with the capital U, congruence to 2x plus 4y plus 5z minus 6 is equal to 0. So equation 1, equation 2 represents a circle. You know very well, in the previous classes also we discussed these two equations represents a circle. Equation of the sphere passing through the equation 1 and equation 2 is s plus k into u is equal to 0, where k is a parameter. Okay, so and then after substitute s and u values in equation number 3. That means substitute equation number 1, equation number 2 in equation number 3. So this is equation number 1 value, x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 plus k into, this is equation number 2, capital U value, 2x plus 4y plus 5z minus 6 is equal to 0. After substituting equation, now what we have to do is, so we have to find the constant value. Here whatever we have taken parameter, that parameter value we have to find. But to find that k value, see here, we don't have any other alternative conditions in this problem. Just multiply k value with that plane. So therefore x square plus y square plus z square plus 2kx plus 2 into k 4 into ky plus 5 into kz minus 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, now compare above equation with general form. So what is the general form? If you compare the above equation with general form of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now compare corresponding coefficients on equation number 4 and this general equation. So here x coefficient to 2u, here x coefficient is 2k. So 2u is equal to 2k. Here y coefficient is 2v. Here y coefficient is 4k, so therefore 2v is equal to 4k. Here z coefficient is 2w, here z coefficient is 5k, 2w is equal to 5k. So here the constant is small d, here the constant is minus 6k minus 1. So by comparing 2 get cancelled, u is equal to k, and here also 2 1s are 2 2s are, so v is equal to 2k. Here 2, so there is no cancellation there. So therefore we can write w is equal to 5k by 2. So and small d is equal to minus 6k minus 1. Now, so in the problem they are asking find the sphere equation, right? Okay. So center of the sphere formula you know very well, capital C is equal to minus u minus v minus w. So therefore capital C is equal to, compare the given equation with the general formula. After comparing we got the u, v, w and small d values now. So from u, v, w values substitute in the center formula. C is equal to u value is equal to k, you know very well, and v is equal to 2k and w is equal to 5k by 2. Just to replace all those values in this equation, therefore C is equal to minus k, minus 2k, minus 5k by 2. That is the center of the required sphere. Okay. So now radius of the required sphere. So radius of the required sphere is small r is equal to, you know very well the formula, u under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. This is the formula. Now substitute the corresponding values. U is k. Okay, that means k square plus v square 2k whole square plus w square 5k by 2 whole square minus d value minus of minus 6k minus 1. Okay, so therefore simplify the values ma. R is equal to k square plus 2k whole square value is 4k square, 5k by 2 whole square is 25k square by 4 plus multiply with minus into minus plus 6k minus into minus plus 1. So therefore again simplify under root the value. So take 4 as LCM. So if you take the 4 as LCM, then for 4k square, 4 into 4 16k square plus 25k square plus 6k plus 1. So therefore we are taking the LCM for the only k square terms. So therefore 4k square plus 16k square, 20k square plus 25k square, 45k square by 4 plus 6k plus 1. Since in the problem sphere touches the plane z is equal to 0, that is the given second condition. Okay, required to find the required sphere, that sphere passing through the circle, and one more condition is there. So that sphere, required sphere whatever touches the given plane z is equal to 0. Whenever a sphere, you can see here, whenever a sphere touches the plane ma, so from the center of the sphere we can take the distance. From the center of the sphere this distance is small r, and whenever perpendicular distance from center of the sphere is equal to radius of the sphere, then definitely that line is called a tangent line or tangent plane. Okay, so whatever here we have z is equal to 0, that plane will be a tangent plane for the given sphere. Okay, touches means it touches only at one point. So if any line touches at only one point, then that line or that plane is called tangent plane. So here z is equal to 0 is a tangent plane. So if it is a tangent plane, then from the condition, you know very well, okay, in circles also, in intermediate level also you studied the same thing. Okay, so the same concept apply here also. Then the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to z is equal to 0 equal the radius. Whenever any line or any plane touches the sphere or circle, you have to take the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle or center of the sphere to the line or plane. So therefore you know very well, radius is already, we have the formula, this is the radius of the sphere. Okay, but what is the formula for the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere, you know very well, small d is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the formula, a square plus b square plus c square. This is the perpendicular distance formula in three-dimensional plane whenever you take a x, y, z axis. So here what is the equation? Plane z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. When you write z is equal to 0 ma, so that means ax value plus by value plus cz value plus d is equal to 0. This z is equal to 0 also we can write as z is equal to 0. We can also write as 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z plus 0. That means constant value is equal to 0. We can write in this format. Okay, z is equal to 0. We can write as 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z plus 0 equal to 0. So therefore, for that condition, we have to apply the perpendicular distance. So in place of z, we have to substitute the center of the sphere. What is the center of the sphere? Minus u minus v minus w. So in place of x, we have to substitute u value. In place of y, we have to substitute v value. In place of z, we have to substitute w value. Why? Because x, y, z represents, or x, y, z correspondingly indicated by UVW only. So here we have only Z term. So that's why we are writing the W coordinate. What is the W value from the center, amma? See here, from the center equation, what is the W value? Minus 5k by 2. Instead of writing x, y, why? Because 0 into x, 0, 0 into y, 0. So 1 into z, z kada. So in place of z, we are writing only W coordinate. Okay. So therefore mod, you can see here. Yeah. So now you can see here mod 5 mod minus 5k by 2 is equal to radius. This is the radius. This is the small d is equal to small r. So by under root of a square plus b square plus c square, what is the z value? Z coefficient ikkada, z coefficient is equal to 1. So therefore even if you write root 1 square, okay, it doesn't make any change anamata. So that's why we are writing only W value only. So now squaring on both sides. So square root will get cancelled in RHS and mod minus will get cancelled. 5k by 2 whole square is equal to 45k square plus 4. So here minus is there. 45k square by 4 plus 6k plus 1. So therefore if you apply the square root so therefore minus 5 whole square minus 5k whole square means 25k square by 2 square means 4. So therefore take the LCM, 45k square plus 24k plus 4 by 4. Okay. So therefore here you can clearly observe the diagram of this problem. Okay. So this is our sphere and this is our circle. You have the plane z is equal to 0. So what they are saying in the problem, required sphere touching the plane z is equal to 0. Touching the plane z is equal to 0 means this plane is passing at one point of the sphere. Passing at one point of the sphere. So then this is the center of the sphere. Capital C is the center of the sphere. You know very well, capital C is equal to minus u minus v minus w. So from the center of the sphere to the touching point of the plane and sphere, that is we can take as the radius of the sphere. That radius here we are taking as perpendicular distance. If perpendicular distance from the center to that plane is equal to radius of the sphere, then immediately or then automatically that z will become the tangent plane to the sphere. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the given problem. Now, so from the last slide 25k square by 4, from this slide if you observe carefully, on both side 4 will get cancelled amma. So on both side this 4 value will get cancelled. Then here continuation you can see 25k square is equal to 45k square plus 24k plus 4. Okay. So take this 25k square value to RHS. 45 minus 25, you will get to 20k square plus 24k plus 4 is equal to 0. From the total equation, take 4 common. After taking 4 common, 5k square plus 6k plus 1 is equal to 0. Send this 4 value to RHS, 0 by 4, 0. 5k square plus 6k plus 1 is equal to 0. So looking like this equation is purely a quadratic equation in small k, where k is the variable. Okay. So 5k square plus 6k plus 1. You know very well quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in terms of small x. So now by splitting the middle term, we can find the roots of this quadratic equation. Multiply first term and last term, 5k square into 1, 5k square will come. So this 5k square we have to write the product of the two terms. If you add those two terms, we have to get the middle term. So here I am writing 5 ones are 5, 5k into 1k. So if you multiply 5k into 1k, you will get 5k square. And if you add 5k plus 1k, 6k. So that is the splitting of the middle term process. So now from the first two terms, take 5k common. Then from the first term, k is the remaining value. From the second term, plus 1 is the remaining value. And from the second to two terms, take plus 1 common. So then you will get k plus 1 is equal to 0. Again k plus 1 common. Remaining value 5k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 0 or k plus 1 is equal to 0. 5k is equal to minus 1. k is equal to minus 1. So therefore k is equal to minus 1 by 5 or k is equal to minus 1. So we got two values of the k, where k is a parameter. So okay, so two different values we got. So now what is our duty? So now we have to substitute this k value in equation. Okay, in what equation we have to substitute? In equation number 4, we have to substitute that k value. So then we will get two cases. So based on two cases, we will get two different sphere values. So in case 1, substitute k is equal to minus 1 in equation number 4. X square plus y square plus z square minus 1 minus 1. Actually ikkada plus k ani untadi kada. So k value, if you substitute minus 1 plus 2x plus 4y plus 5z minus 6 is equal to 0. Multiply with minus each and every term in the plane. So therefore x square plus y square plus z square minus 1, okay, minus 2x minus 4y minus 5z minus 1 minus into minus plus 6, okay, minus 1 plus 6, that value gives you plus 5 is equal to 0. Here you have minus 1 and from here you will get to plus 6. So that is equal to plus 5 is equal to 0. This is one required sphere equation. So next case 2, substitute k is equal to minus 1 by 5 in equation number 4. So x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 by 5, 2x plus 4y plus 5z minus 6 is equal to 0. Take LCM. LCM is 5. Multiply with 5. 5 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. And the remaining value multiply with minus 1. 2x plus 4y plus 5z minus 6 by 5 is equal to 0. Send this 5 value to RHS. 0 into 5, 0. Multiply with 5 and multiply with minus. And whatever, if you have the same words, then just add up. Okay. So therefore, 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 5z. So here you have minus 5 and plus 6. What is the value? Plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the second required sphere equations. Therefore, the equations of the spheres are, we'll get two equations. Those two equations are x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 5z plus 5 is equal to 0. And the second one, so 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the two required sphere equations passing through a circle and touching a plane z is equal to 0. Okay. So I hope you understood this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with another important and interesting topic. Make a perfect practice. Prepare very well. Until bye. Thank you.